We have a deal then. The salvage value plus 10%. All right, pleasure doing business with you, Amna. We have a deal then. The salvage value plus 10%. All right, pleasure doing business with you, Amna.
It's a challenge, but consider it done. We'll have this beauty restored to its former glory in no time.
Try hitting that fender again, Allie. The rust is still heavy there.
Okay, got it.
We need the heavy-duty torque wrench for the axle.
And I'll run diagnostics on the engine bay first. This dust is thick.
Absolutely flawless, Ali.
Indeed, Fariha. The best in the world.
Your luxury glossy white Rolls Royce is ready.
Here's the card. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amna. We appreciate it.